Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee. Today we have a Breville dual boiler with us in the shop, and I came in for a few issues. One of them, that the steam wand wasn't activating after a few seconds, so it'll let steam out and then it will stop. I wasn't able to get that to happen with the machine as long as I had it in the shop testing it. And so what we ended up doing is we replaced the solenoid valve, as you can see here. Reason being is that they mentioned that both with the brewing and I believe the hot water, that it was also doing the same, and that's usually because of the solenoid valve. As you can see, it's pretty trashed at the bottom, so it just definitely needed to be replaced. So we replaced that part. We also cleaned all three of the probes that are located on your steam boiler, and then I also replaced the gaskets on them because they were leaking. At least one of them was, so I replaced all three gaskets just so you don't get any leaking inside of your machine. And besides that, we did a complete tune-up where we descaled the boilers, both boilers, that being the brewer and the steam boiler. I had to do it manually at some point because the machine wasn't wanting to descale. And so I manually descaled it, and then also did a lot of cleaning cycles with detergent, and deep cleaned both your steam wand, your portafilter, your group head. I replaced the gasket that was in there. As you can see, this is your, I dropped it. That was your older gasket. And so we replaced the gasket, cleaned the shower screen, cleaned the distribution plate, and now we're ready to brew. So we're going to quickly put our test coffee in here. That new gasket's going to feel nice and tight, so don't worry if it doesn't go all the way out. The more you use it, the more it'll get more towards the end. Besides that, we are using test coffee, so don't worry if it runs a little too fast or a little too slow. We don't calibrate any of our grinders through these machines when we test them, so don't worry about that. So it seems I put a little less coffee in there, but that's perfectly fine. One back flushing, it does get to your 9 bars, almost 10 bars, so that's working well. That didn't come out too bad. And I can take that out. I'll put this to the side. Just do a quick cleaning. And then lastly, we're going to test the hot water. Get hot water coming out, and then lastly, test the steam wand. We're going to let this run for a little bit since this is one of the main reasons it was brought into the shop, just to see how long it will last. These Brevilles do have quite big boilers, so once it's pressurized, you should expect it to last quite a while. As you can see, working well. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.